Today, my friends, once more again, Winston Gel, Cooking and Discovery TV is coming to you from my cooking lab with another project on the way today. Today, I will be making, yes, a look what you can make with a plantain and a banana. One plantain and a banana. So I'll be making a plantain banana cake today. Yes, plantain banana cake. So I'm using one plantain, one banana, and of course I have my flour. And I'm gonna add some unusual ingredients that I thought out. I'm gonna use some cashew nuts, some almond nuts, and also I will be adding some oatmeal and 1 cup of brown sugar, and also that is 1 cup of oatmeal, and just egg white. Yes, egg white only. That is, I believe, 5 eggs, because what happened? I have a cholesterol issue, so I have to stay away from the egg yolk. The egg yolk is where the cholesterol is, so just egg white only. And then only 1 stick of butter also. Taking the necessary precautionary measure to reduce the cholesterol intake. Yes. And of course, I will have all the ingredients: sea salt, baking powder, cinnamon, vanilla extract, and almond joy. And I'm going to add a little bit of condensed milk, because this container here that has condensed milk in it. Alright? So basically, I'm going to blend the plantain and the banana out, and also I'm going to blend the cashew and the almonds and the oatmeal. Just blend them out, and I'm use the liquid of some of the liquid of the egg whites, and as well plantain and banana. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, my friends, so I'm going to add the almonds and the cashew nuts into the blender. Next, I'm going to, of course, melt the egg whites. I'm going to add the oatmeal. I'm going to add my white banana to this one. Then next, after that blends out, I will add the plantain. Right now that the almonds and the cashew and the oatmeal has been blended out into the egg whites, now I'm going to add the plantain. So that is the right place. Flame on. Right, I'm just going to melt a stick of butter. Yes, I'm melting the butter. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Okay, my friends, the butter, 1 stick of butter is melted. That's 1 stick of butter. This is a drastic step from what I normally do. Normally use a lot of butter and a lot of oil, so I am reducing the amount of butter and I'm just going to use only 1 cup of sugar. Right? That was already measured by using this measuring device. So that's 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This is white vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond extract. Alright, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. That's 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to pour the mixture of the plantains, the ripe bananas, the walnuts, almonds, and cashew nuts. That's what I meant to say. You're watching the Winston J. Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. So that is 1 plantain and 1 banana. And the egg white. Egg whites only, no yolk. Yes. Alright, so now I am hand creaming or blending the sugar, the butter, with the plantain mixture and the banana mixture and the almonds and the cashew nuts. And of course the egg white. And I already measured out 7 cups of flour, so incrementally I will add the flour in as needed. And then also I'm going to mix some condensed milk with some purified water that was already boiled, and I'm going to add it to the mixture to make it more fluid once I add the flour. You're watching Winston J. Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. So this is the first cup of flour. Second cup of flour. And the 3rd cup of flour. I'm going to add some cinnamon. There's some cinnamon powder, I'm not measuring, I'm just using my eyes. But I'm going to add 1/4 cup of baking powder. Yes, 1/4 cup of baking powder. I want to see how the 1/4 cup works out versus the 1/2 cup. You're watching the Winston J. Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so I'm going to blend this in by hand mixing. Alright, I'm going to add some milk. I'm adding some condensed milk. Yes, condensed milk. I'll mix it out into this liquid here. So right here, let's add the sugar. You're watching the Winston J. Okay, and Discover TV. Alright, I'm going to add some of the condensed milk mixture to mix that out. I'll save the rest for the rest of the flour. So you go into a circular motion with your hands. And this is the texture so far. Okay, so I'm going to add the rest of the flour, and then last I'll add the rest of the condensed milk mixture. Okay. That's what it looks like with 5 cups of flour. So I'm going to add a little bit of mixture in it. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Putting the last of the flour in. 7 cups of flour in total. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, I'm going to put the remaining mixture of condensed milk. I'm using the hand blender just to smooth it out, make sure it's smooth, got rid of all the lumps. Make sure there are no lumps in there. The texture is right. You're watching the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright. Alright, my friends, I'm going to add some raisins. You're watching the Winston Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, so this batter mixture is now ready to be poured in the baking vessel. So I'm going to put some olive oil in the baking vessel. Just make sure I greased it properly. And then pour my liquid and get ready to put it in the oven. To bake this plantain and banana, cashew, and almond cake. Wow, that is quite exotic. Quite exotic. As you see this Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. Alright, my friends, I'm going to pour my mixture, my plantain and banana, cashew, almond, yes, cake mixture. You're watching Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Okay, my friends, so this is my plantain, banana, cashew, almond, yes, cake. For today on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube. version. It's ready for the oven. You're watching this on the Winston Gel. See you in a few minutes. Alright, my friends, I'm taking this out of the oven. It's hot. Alright, my friends, you're watching the Winston Gel cooking. One ripe plantain and one finger of ripe banana. Yes. And this is what I've created. Yes. So you can call this a plantain bread. Cooking and Discover TV on YouTube platform. It is very hot right now. So I'm going to allow it to cool, and then once it's cool, then I'll cut it and see how it comes. I'll cut a slice off it and see what it looks like. Still hot, but I'm going to take it out and see what it looks like. Whoops, wow, it came right out. Came right out. That is my plantain bread. Yes, that is my banana plantain bread. Look what you can do with just one plantain. Yes. And a banana and 5 egg whites. Yes, 5 egg whites. Some this is what the side I cut looks like. Alright. So this is my plantain banana bread. Yes, made with 5 egg whites. Yeah, separate the yolks and just use the egg whites. So this is what I've made here in my cooking lab on the Winston Gel. Cooking and Discover TV. Thanks for watching. Please.